Hello friends, welcome to Junior's Art, and today I'm gonna draw a summer drink. But at the first, I wanna say that if you are a new viewer of my channel, then don't forget to subscribe cause we upload new videos every week. Anyway, this is not the summer drink actually, this is a flower with a tiny leaf. This is the decoration of the summer drinks glass. Okay, now I'm drawing the glass actually. This will be perfect. Okay, one more line. I'm just showing you how the final look is. I'll join these two lines, one, and the other one is big line. Wow, just see what happens here. Okay, I will join the other one too. Wow, the glass is looking amazing. Beautiful. Let's draw the straw. Just join these two. Okay, just making the glass a little funny, so I'm drawing its eyes. Now it's looking good. Wow. My drawing is done. Let's start coloring. This is yellow. I'm using yellow for the flower. A cute flower. And let's make the leaf green. Wow! Now I will use a little cyan for the glass's eyes. And now what is left? The drink. I will fill the drink with orange. Cause orange is my favorite flavor. summer drink is looking absolutely tasty and fresh. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.